On the other side, the big Bengal loot, arson, and killing.
Victims of violence claim Mamta did nothing for us.
दीदी से कुछ नहीं मदद मिला है, हमारा ममता दीदी से बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं मदद कर रहा है। जो कर रहा है मोदी जी का लोग ही कर रहा है।
ममता क्या, ममता तो कुछ नहीं दे रहा है। ममता क्या देगा? শুধু বলে পুলিশ যাও যাও, পুলিশের क्या इधर है?
বম ফুটালছে, পেট্রোল ঢালালছে, গ্যাস সিলিন্ডার সব বাস্ট করে দিয়েছে, বড় বড় বম চালালছে, ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা নিয়ে আমাদেরকে পালিয়ে আসতে হয়েছে।
Hargobindo Das and Chandan Das, a father-son duo, were butchered by a murderous mob. His entire family was forced to flee Murshidabad and take shelter in Jharkhand.
আমার দোকান পুড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, আর আমার কাকার ঘরের দরজাকে ভেঙে, হ্যাঁ, আর আমার কাকার ছেলেকে টেনে বাড়িতে থেকে টেনে রাস্তায় সে ছেনে দিয়ে এবং ভুজালে দিয়ে কপিয়ে খুন করেছে।
Ladies and gentlemen, I would have said Shubho Noboborsho to everybody who's a Bengali across this country. But the joy of a new year in Bengal has been marred by arson, anger, and anarchy, leading to an exodus that people in Bengal refuse to even recognize. After the Murshidabad mayhem, Hindu families claim that they fear living in their own homes, their own towns, and even their own state. Victims have moved. 400 Hindus from Dhulia were forced to flee after the violence. But the one who should have shielded the victims and punished the rioters is busy pleading to the culprits. That's right, Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee chose to play to the gallery. Instead of iron-fisted approach to crush arsonists, she instead said, please, please, for God's sake, be patient. Please, to rioters, not law that should face them. In stark contrast was UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who lashed out saying that लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. The BJP cautioned Mamta against inciting rioters by soft meddling and betraying the real victims. Not only this, Mamta Banerjee is all set to meet Muslim delegations, intellectuals tomorrow in a stadium to listen to their problems and their views on Waqf. Not one tear for those who have lost their near and dear ones. Not one tear for those who've had to flee their homes, whose homes have been burnt down. Watch the war of words.
শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে গণতান্ত্রিক আন্দোলন করার অধিকার সকলের আছে উইথ পারমিশন, বাট প্লিজ দয়া করে সে যেই হোক, এ বি সি ডি ই এফ জি এই যেই বা হোক, আইন কখনো হাতে তুলে নেবেন না।
अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं, लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है।
On the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla is joined by Abhijit Iyer Mitra, also Mohammad Tariq Khan on the show. But my first question goes to Swayam Prakash Purohit, leader of the Trinamool Congress. And Swayam Prakash Purohit, I want to ask you the question that many people are asking tonight. What happens to justice in Bengal? So many people have fled. Noboborsha, of course, लेकिन हिंदू अपने घर में नहीं रह सकते। 400 लोग घर छोड़कर भाग गए हैं, कुछ झारखंड चले गए हैं क्योंकि कह रहे हैं बंगाल में रह ही नहीं सकते। अब चीफ मिनिस्टर कहेंगी दंगाइयों को कि प्लीज ऐसा मत करो।
See, Navika ji, first of all, I want to say Subhana words to all of your viewers. There is one thing, more than 200 people has been arrested in the Murshidabad case. The two main accused who have murdered, they are also arrested. मगर क्या है, ये जो आपने अभी लाइन कही कि झारखंड और बिहार, इनके ही नेता, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता ये बयान देते हैं कि अर्जुन सिंह उनका नाम है, जो खुद एक बिहार बेस ग्राउंड से है, कभी तृणमूल कांग्रेस में भी आते, हमारे साथ भी रहे हैं, और कभी पहले उनका इतिहास कांग्रेस का रहा है, और अभी वो सत्ताधारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास चले गए हैं। मगर वो जो बयान दे रहे हैं कि अगर ये हिंदू मुसलमान का एजेंडा चलेगा तो हम बिहार और झारखंड से लोग को बुलाएंगे। डीजीपी जो बंगाल है, उन्होंने क्लियर कहा है कि पिछले जिस दिन दंगा हुआ उसके कुछ घंटे बाद में स्थिति को कंट्रोल में कर लिया गया है। सीसीटीवी खंगाल करके जो आरोपी है उनको गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। अगर आज उत्तर प्रदेश में भी दंगा हो तो क्या वहां की सरकार उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई नहीं करती है, मगर यहां की सरकार टोपी और तिलक देखकर कार्रवाई नहीं करती है। वो चाहे हिंदू हो, चाहे मुसलमान हो, चाहे वो कोई भी नारा लगाए, अगर वो हुलिगिज्म करेगा,
My question to you, Mr. Purohit, is Mamata Banerjee hasn't said one word expressing horror for those families who've lost their loved ones. Chandan Das, unke पिताजी, क्या दोष है उनका? What about those people who have had to leave their homes? Their homes have been burned down. But she's saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, जो भी होगा, and she's saying, please ऐसा मत करो. Do you talk in please language to rioters? And I want to ask you, you have a meeting with Muslim leaders tomorrow. Who will go and wipe the tears of the Hindu families? Is she not Ma to them as well? Are they not Bengal's Manush?
Yes. Navika ji, yes, she is Ma of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Punjabi, those who are living in the state. She is Ma for everyone. She is doing that thing. वो जो कह रही है कि प्लीज आप अपने धर्म के नाम पर ये दंगे न फैलाए, तो इसमें क्या है? आप विनती कर रही है कि आप दंगे से आप शांत हो जाइए। ये वक्फ का मुद्दा है या जो भी मुद्दा है, कौन सी बाहरी ताकत है? देखिए, जो मुर्शिदाबाद है वो बॉर्डर का एरिया है और बंगाल चीन एक इतिहास रहा है, उसको छेड़छाड़ किया जा रहा है। बीएसएफ कौन कंट्रोल करता है? अमित शाह की ऑफिस वालों से आप सवाल जवाब नहीं करेंगे कि कैसे घुसपैठिए बंगाल में घुसते हैं और कैसे वापस चले जाते हैं दंगे करके। कौन है वो लोग, कौन है इनके पीछे? इसके जवाब
वाला प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
50 किलोमीटर आपने अपने हाथ में रखा है।
Mr. Swayam ji, can you please hear the other side now?
तो कानून व्यवस्था
He has a problem.
Okay, all right, please respond.
First of all, it is anything but a Shubha Nabavarsho. It is a shrap to be a Hindu in Bengal, just like it was in 1946 when Suravardi was in the help of affairs. 400.
Yes, for you people, it's a shrap.
Ma'am,
for you people, it's a shrap.
Ma'am, it is
because
unfair.
you are not doing
Ma'am, I am not going to raise my voice.
Bengal.
It is my turn to speak.
1 minute.
And I think that is the way a debate should be organized.
Can we just lower
He has
his
a very
fader
bad
a little
habit
bit?
of
Yes,
interrupting every
make your
time.
point.
400 families have left their house. Mr. Firad Hakim says that nothing has happened. It's interstate migration. Your other leaders say that this is Biharis are responsible. Shatrughan Sinha कहाँ से आया है भाई? ये कीर्ति आजाद कहाँ से आया है? You are saying she is Ma to everybody. Then why is the Ma not gone to the house of Chandan Das? If she is Ma to everybody, how many Hindu houses has she visited? Even when the targeting is being done, state-sponsored targeting of Hindus is being done, mandirs have been broken. How many masjids have been broken? Can you tell me the instances of which Muslim establishments have been burnt down? Who is taking out the protest and saying Samvidhan nahi manenge? Are it Hindus on the street? And please tell me, Kunal Ghosh blames the BSF protecting the rioters. Sagarika Ghosh blames Biharis. Hamidul Rahman says Bharat occupy karna. What action did Ma take? What action did Ma take on Bapi Haldar who said, I'll gouge your eyes out? What action did Ma take on Siddiqullah who said 10,000 people will come into Bengal and will capture the streets of Kolkata? What action has been taken? But I don't have problem with them. Tehseen Poonawalla is sitting pretty today. Tehseen Poonawalla, ये संविधान रक्षक मिस्टर राहुल गांधी किधर है? ये संविधान की रक्षा हो रही है क्या? अधीर रंजन चौधरी चिल्ला चिल्ला के थक गए, प्रियंका वाड्रा के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं. स्टालिन
And I want to ask you this, Tehseen, this is not the first time. Sandesh Khali, not one word from Rahul Gandhi. Today, Bengal is burning, Murshidabad is burning, Hargobind Das and Chandan Das have lost their lives. 400 families have had to flee. Some have gone and started living in Jharkhand. Not one word from the India Alliance. I want to ask you, do you have a heart?
Absolutely, Navika ji. And the Congress in West Bengal is protesting against the Mamata government. Law and order is Mamata government's prerogative. She is completely failed, and these are Hindus are being targeted. Mamta Banerjee, if what the TMC spokesperson is saying on your show, that these are people coming from Bangladesh and BSF is involved, let's say hypothetically, then what stops the West Bengal police from arresting those who have come from Bangladesh? Let's assume BSF is involved. Why is the West Bengal police not doing it? Why are only Hindus being targeted? Why are Muslims not being targeted? Because the TMC wants this polarization. But guess who else wants this polarization? The other side of the polarization is the party that refuses to act the BJP government because the Union Home Minister can impose president's rule. BJP in West Bengal is asking for president's rule. Why doesn't the governor go there? Why doesn't the Honorable Union Home Minister go there? They don't want to impose president's rule because the polarization will create a political divide, thereby helping TMC and BJP in these elections. And the entire blame for this goes to the TMC, but the BJP government is doing nothing to protect Hindus. Hindus are being massacred by the BJP government.
What are you doing? Are you bystanders in this entire matter?
One line. तहसीन पूनावाला ने क्या आउटस्टैंडिंग स्पीच दी. तहसीन पूनावाला ऑफिशियल कांग्रेस, अलका लांबा ये हमारे लिए मुद्दा नहीं है. ऑफिशियल कांग्रेस राशिद अलवी एक्शन का रिएक्शन हो रहा है. एंड बाय द वे यू आर ब्लेमिंग द बांग्लादेशी हु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. इनकी नेता सागरिका घोष, गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स, सेज बिहारी कर रहा है. आप तय तो कर लो बिहारी कर रहा है या बांग्लादेशी कर रहा है, या बांग्लादेशी को बचाने के लिए बिहारी को मारा जा रहा है.
Well,
whoever is doing it, what is the best?
Whoever is doing it.
Whoever is doing this. Abhijit Iyer Mitra, you know, Bengal Congress is protesting. So why should Rahul Gandhi worry about? That's the defense that Tehseen Poonawalla has put out. Does that really wash? Because anything that happens in any part of the country, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has his comment ready-made. How come not once but twice Rahul Gandhi misses the developments in West Bengal? Is it a coincidence?
No, Navika, he's a Hindu of convenience. You see, we have no proof that he's a Hindu. He doesn't care about Hindus. He never has. And he keeps doing this everywhere. He's opportunistically Hindu. Jab hona hai, he is the friend of the Dalit. When he wants to be, he's not just any Brahmin. He's Janaudhari Brahman, whose shadow itself is not worthy for us mere mortals to be in the presence of, you see. So there's nothing you can do about it. But see, Tehseen raised a very important point about president's rule. You know, Navika, since the SR Bombay judgment, a lot of governments have learned exactly how to game that judgment. An administrative breakdown in that judgment's opinion does not equal a constitutional breakdown. The bar for imposing Article 356 is a constitutional breakdown. So what happens is, you saw the lead up to the violence. You saw TMC leaders slowly stoking this. You know, violence doesn't, in India, violence never happens spontaneously. It's always organized. And it has taken almost a 2-week period for it to come to this head, which has been a very slow, planned process. It is the lead up to the election violence. You know, Bengal elections are next year. This is what happened last year also. Do you remember?
Ram Navami.
That happened just before the elections. It is the lead up. It is a campaign of terror and intimidation to intimidate those voters.
Well, Tariq Khan, I want to ask you, Mamta Banerjee as the Ma of the Manush in Bengal, not one word for those who have died, those who have lost their lives, those who have to flee their house, whose houses have been burned down. Itna to banta tha na?
It's the responsibility of the state government to look into these type of matters. And
isn't it the responsibility of Akhilesh ji to at least tweet?
Yes. Let me say something. You have Article 256. We just have a conversation on that. Why you are not using that? You have that.
You have
Samajwadi Party.
You have social media. Why can't you use that?
Don't
so that they can come out and say vendetta politics.
You have 256. What are you doing? Just channel का breaking news है. Samajwadi is demanding president rule in
नहीं अभी आपने 20 दिन अभी पिछले महीने
will you support president rule?
आपने अभी president rule लगाया नहीं लगाया? मणिपुर में
will you support?
आप लगाइए.
Will you support?
गवर्नमेंट की कोई
will you support?
सपोर्ट की बात क्या है? हमारे सपोर्ट से बनेगा 256 हमारे सपोर्ट से
356
आप सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट
256
356 हम कहेंगे तब आप लगाएंगे. हम डायरेक्ट करेंगे मान लेंगे. मेरी डायरेक्शन मान लेंगे. मान लेंगे,
situation right
accept
now?
it मान लेंगे, direct करता हूँ, मानेंगे मोदी जी से।
Well, ladies and gentlemen, should there be any Mamta for rioters? Yes, say 16%, no, say 83%, can't say 1%. 83% of the people actually feel there should be no Mamta for rioters. Public opinion is against the manner in which this arson, this violence has been handled. When will we wake up? When will we look at the victims? When will we look at giving a healing touch to them? That's the question India is asking. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Have a safe evening. I'll see you tomorrow.
The News Hour at 9 will be